This week on Nation's Business, we look into the development projects carried out by the Fiji Military Forces in strengthening communities not only in the urban centers, but in remote rural Fiji. The implementation of essential services around the country by the RFMF Engineering Unit is carried out in areas where such services have been absent for far too long. Communities which have never had access to basic services. These projects have helped, shaped, and build a stronger nation. They have changed the lives of citizens and opened up greater economic and social opportunities. While everyone is aware of Fiji's international peacekeeping, our military at home work behind the scenes to ensure that bridges, schools, and health centers are made available to everyone. Many of us are unaware of the huge contribution by the men and women of the Republic of the Fiji Military Forces. From 2007 to 2012, the RFMF Engineering Unit have completed development projects close to $8 million, and these are spread out to the 4 divisions of the country, including urban capital projects. It's development projects like building evacuation centers and schools that strengthens and reaffirms government's commitment to its people, as well as strengthening community network and partnership.
I'd like to thank the present government for the big donation that we have, and also for the classroom that we have at the moment. If the community tries to build this one, it will take years for them to finish this donation. Once I thank the government, thank the engineers for their hard working, and also for appreciation from the students and the community.
The RFMF engineers, primarily we are soldiers. So we have a primary role as soldiers in offering our engineer advice to the RFMF operations. But we also have a secondary role, and our secondary role deals with our role towards nation building, as with the headquarters RFMF's intent, or Commander RFMF. So our role is towards nation building, and we, as directed, we implement such projects, whether it be vertical or horizontal construction projects.
Wabinimana kana ngonondon makamai, enolom ngani vida patana bibo kotor taki, tumai wador na matibol, en tambahin engineer, to mantan na wabinimana sarbolio, enobuk ngani vingrabilio, tumai warutaka, singin dona kaki mibibukina. To vengkarab sarakin na matibal na lomani vengkarab ni matai ke engineer nandobon
na pale niwa kayang sari na cukup na korbango reza ni baka lebu ni yaw may na bono ni balimbula ndo baka nga teksar baka lebu na si ke baka so na lenga baka suri na mabuwa pamimbi na lakuwai se na mawawalakai na bibalbali baka kina na tubi mate baka buta ni sando na tamani bibu kelevu saya do cukumai na cukup baka na korbango non rasa baka itabi cukumai kina na matentu baka bimbi talenga na tabi ni bengara versa ngara cukuna matibal kena mai baka torda kita cukuna na korbaga viti bango baka keto sareda na mawen Cuba na kiana sa may tarchunggo na paliwai baka mutan niya palut talanga rabakita bikina na sotia kalew na daka akima misang ni kinodara ni mambabini binaka nanguno mantangaran do la kumay kinarando ngarabe na lebni kiana maruta kichiko nandondolinga sule chume na matinto
na pabila wali buto na tabani jina ni matibal ina to mingkaram do itabilio itabilio mungkin na denkor ina to silian do nguna berto mita ka na wali lai ka to bisa mata laki na nito bolsong ko bakit nito wali way chukimur o wabna kina bagaliw ina bukin ni ngerto mi buno to mi bulusito kino to ngona buno ngolib kan do mingkarabangan na linkor ko wabna kina na matintu ina norto mi bukin matibal ni non to So nararo ko tumay. O bimbi so na mabole la yata lumin kor. Undul mi dul ko ni makas sin usur. Sa ndo bi bunga kino na sin kor ni sa tongango ni to bulway. Ina kena ayangan do to kan bulway ng dolong ko.
Since 2007, the Army engineers have completed more than 118 civil and rural development projects and continue to do so when the need arises due to requests from communities and directives from government. It's in these areas of inaccessibility and rough terrain that teams from the engineering unit have been dispatched to actively participate in nation-building projects throughout Fiji, be it in the fields of education, health, evacuation centers, roads and bridges.
Primarily, we deal with two types of constructions, which is the horizontal construction dealing with roads and bridges, and also vertical construction, has to do with the construction of schools and evacuation centers and nursing stations. So far, for the year 2012, the unit has completed 33 vertical construction projects. This is inclusive of the nursing stations and the schools. And we have also completed 2 horizontal construction projects. This is with Tubeni Solo upgrading, road upgrading in Nandi, and another road in Ba, one of the rural roads in Ba.
Nations Business also visited a team who were working on a new farm road at Delusui. Once completed, this road will enable buses to service the area and enable villages better access into towns and cities.
Andongo reo kilani ekotobele bikima mina rawa nang ndende kim sota butuma na biambag sawchi mavira ni mingase ni ausar chore titira titi chumikena nani mitete kala ndorun salaro ndo bikima mina kera bako bol bikima mina gon salon bita kachungo aba bina bale bana matentu ko titi chungo nongo na kena mai bara rota bikima mina gon sal na loni kor del sui abna talanga virtu na engineer tikerto matebo lakin narto mai stawa chukso nandre mana kena narto mai lakin mai bakai version atani to gon sal na bakingo
o ndoga ngo maro takawale una kena mai tana nguni sala waro takana ni mu tosaki no mani vikau na rola tuma ni mu iti mai mani vikau me mai na kormanda wa bira wale bunisa roma na nguni sala sartungo na lingani wa warta te na nguni sala waro takasar wale wona ni mu leni koro indelasui na ibuli me kemu waku kotale na titi me ni sana bola ke naluri na bona ni omite
bikitu mandanga na matebol ndona kana ni tumarutak ni mingara binai tabingo na dapan dinjin tak mbaten kenta ken dalo mena na be korkor go indona ndrendre so tabinjin tu ndalo mani be korkor kan do ngalu bakatu sengani ndando reidara mendoni buru-buru mela ko me buke kenta na bukuni nondam bulan besin o ndona taka binaka kitu marutak kitu talita kitu chuni tu banu ni kitu babir binaki na matentu ni bangko na non rai men numi wera na tu na tu ni korbalang mengara bina non radola temen non riboli na pon tender nduin dambikin satu na ni tu banu ni na sini tabake se ponu tabanga ke na nga bina katiki na ken don mikton lak ton lak mengara ken itabi to man do be to bab ni bina kata kana ken mai lore chikono chikinongo dona bibu ke binaka dona sasanga yanga ena buke bakali bukina kara rai talanga ken na le ni bonua na bukuni kena didi na matentu senga ni kaba bosa tukunanga na toka na loma ni bali songa ni singa lokomekin go sabakanga na tanra melo malang senga mandangan indo weekend de kila na vital nota kini kena dakana kangosa gikinda dalanga sartu lokomena mati balur tu sama indambe mertu sangkarava na itabingo.
These projects are also provided to islands in the maritime zones as well. This year, ongoing rehabilitation and renovation projects under the Prime Minister's office have taken place, ranging from school renovation and construction, road and bridge upgrade, evacuation centers, ablution blocks, kindergartens, construction of health stations and dispensaries, all targeted towards building a stronger Fiji. The RFMF engineers have greatly assisted the people and the government of Fiji.
Dona kana ni mami marota ka mandanga na le ni bono we diona koro ko e wata ona tuna ko ribuli ye san dona kana ro marota ko ira na isuli ko sa suli mingo beta kan dun me da kana ripea sangai melo rei ni sa dasar kan ni tu ko ribuli sambali bondulu na prime minister me tarsar ngan dona ko ribuli bo tol na kelas beta kena dona kena bali bobo Romaru tak serau na leoni koredi wa retulo lomani cukucuki lomani bonongo na kena mai tarando non rekorlu.
Prime Minister's office funded this project about a week ago, and hopefully it will be completed by end of the month.
Angor ando dona mara o dona korona non ratu mbe chiko na soti na tara tuna bal na korulu. Yan dona mara o dona koro. Me mai vingarabi. Vingarabi chiko o dona mara o dotal na koro.
To dona be bugile pro takap chiko orto bana tonda kuni koro balany. Erto sindeta ni be bugile tal sanga be kitona mani buli. Faiti. Dona buli kito mai buli da. Sangan ni to dada. Buli talangan ni buli wisinga. Buli biokani. Me bato nditaki tekena buli chusosaba.
It's development like these that strengthens cooperation between communities and government.
Ya nangaw-nanggo darkana maraw pagkabinak baliw wan matin tu nangaw-nanggo nakena pakararate kinangunsal enjina ni se ngarchu nangunsal se bersar ni adan bonetiti ya sa rigmandangan nakena bolek.
There's no other means that I've seen the engineers from army officers. The first thing, the discipline that they showed to the community, how they use the time, and how they present themselves around the school compound. It's a very big thing for the students. Even the teachers and the students of this school, we learn a lot of things when these army officers are here.
Nation's Business traveled to Ra to witness the renovation works carried out by the engineers at Ra High School.
We are so overwhelmed with all the support that are coming into place, especially as the government of the day are looking to development in rural areas, and we are trying to lift the quality, the standard of education in line with what's happening in the urban areas. And it's really, we really appreciate the move that the government of the day is putting across, and it's like all the initiatives that are coming into place.
Nana dada gitu may ngara begitu may ripeta kana kena binakata kina walisili kinon rawali na ngunibuli tulu chuna walisili
tulu chukuna bolle ko kitumi binakata kami bolle chirna ngoni bolle.
A new nursing station with nursing quarters is also being built in Dombui Levu Ra to provide people better access to health centers.
We constructed a quarters for the nurse, 2-bedroom quarters for the nurse and her nursing station. The development that is being conducted in the rural areas that we are actually part of it, some are lucky to have full coverage of assistance. Some they can provide a 1/3, or some they have some percentage of financial to finance their projects. The majority of the projects that the Prime Minister's projects that we have conducted lately, majority of them has been fully financed by the Office of the Prime Minister. Part of our responsibility or part of our role is the assistance that we render during disasters, natural disasters, unnatural disasters. The last assistance that we provided was the clearing of the dirt, clearing of the rubbish along the roads and in the town of Nandi early this year.
A small project is also currently conducted in the district of Bua in Vanua Levu, where engineers have started to build a new nursing station.
Prime Minister's Office funded this project and hopefully it will be completed by end of the month. Operational nursing station in Bua.
The former nursing station was many miles from most villages, and at most times, people had to travel up to 10 kilometers to reach the health centers. Thanks to the RFMF, these villages now have better access to health facilities. These projects do not end here, as demand for their services and expertise have grown over the years due to the commitment and dedication of the unit. This has also generated a wide interest from tertiary institutions where attachees gain hands-on experience from the unit. Captain Tumbuna says from next year, 181 homes in Vanua Levu will be constructed by the unit with a total cost of $2.7 million, all geared towards ensuring that all Fijians have access to opportunities. Since 1976, the RFMF have had a proud tradition of serving our nation and the international community. Here at home, we've seen this role evolve to ensure that even the most ordinary Fijian can enjoy the most basic and the most deserving facilities and services.
The RFMF engineers are out there to assist them. We all know what our Prime Minister wants. He has prioritized his concern about our nation, especially in the rural areas. He's prioritized education and health. RFMF engineers will be out there to assist the nation in constructing schools, constructing roads, to assist in these areas.